Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Black Myth Wukong and your game keeps crashing and you keep getting this anti-tamper error, sorry something went wrong, for solutions please visit, and you're getting this link here, then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Black Myth Wukong easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open up your game's platform. So it's Steam for me. I'll show you Epic Games afterwards. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on Black Myth Wukong, and then you're going to go into properties, go into install files, and then click verify and direct your game files on Black Myth Wukong. If you have the game on Epic Games, I'm going to show you how to do it on that. So open up your Epic Games launcher, you're going to go to your library, and then you're going to go into these three dots on Black Myth Wukong here, and then you're going to click on to manage, click verify here on verify files, and then it will verify your game's files. Once it's done with that, now you're going to go to your Black Myth Wukong's games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive, from file06, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Black Myth Wukong. Here you have the Black Myth Wukong exe, right click on it, go into compatibility, and then click run this program as an administrator, and also click disable full screen optimizations. After that, click apply, okay, and now you can go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that anti-tamper error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.